If you want to give your kindergartner a strong start in spelling, the Spectrum Spelling Kindergarten Workbook is a fun and structured way to build early literacy skills. Designed for ages 5 to 6, it combines phonics practice with activities for alphabet letters, sight words, vowels, and even early dictionary skills. The 128 pages are colorful and engaging, helping kids stay motivated as they learn. I like that it starts with simple letter and sound recognition, then moves into spelling short words and basic sentences, making it a great step-by-step tool. It works equally well in the classroom for homeschooling or as extra practice at home. Whether your goal is to reinforce school lessons or give your child a head start, this workbook makes spelling approachable, interactive, and fun.